Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, western Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Marlow to near Addington, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Lindsay, Comanche, Bray, Belma, Hastings, Loco, Addington, Eureka Lake, Empire City, Cox City, and Aaron Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and it can lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.